Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on equations. An equation is a number sentence that contains numbers and pronumerals. When solving an equation, we must always keep it balanced. Let's look at some examples. Solve each of the following equations by showing the working. Number 1 is m plus 5 equals 9. Our object is to find the value of m. At this point, this equation is balanced because this side equals that side. In order to keep it balanced, whatever we do to the left-hand side, we must do to the right-hand side. And that applies to all the equations in this video. So because that's a plus, we subtract 5 from both sides. That's how we remove the plus 5 from that left-hand side. So subtract 5 from both sides, so there it is there. Minus 5 and minus 5. The equation is still balanced. 5 minus 5 is 0. That leaves you with m. And 9 minus 5 is 4. So m equals 4 is the answer. 4 plus 5 equals 9. And that does work. Number 2, w minus 7 equals 11. Because that's a minus sign, we add 7 to both sides. You just do the opposite operation. So we've added 7 there and we've added 7 there. The two 7's cancel to leave you with w. 11 plus 7 is 18. So w equals 18. 7y equals 28. Because that's multiplication, the inverse operation is division. So we divide both sides by 7. See, if we divide both sides by 7, you keep the equation balanced. The 7's cancel. 28 over 7 equals 4. So there's the answer. K over 9 equals 3. Because that's division, the inverse operation of division is multiplication. So multiply both sides by 9. So we've done that here. We multiplied the left-hand side by 9. We've multiplied the right-hand side by 9. The 9's cancel to leave you with k. And 3 9s are 27. And there's the answer. This equation here requires a few extra steps. Because that's minus 6, we add 6 to both sides. Remember, you do the opposite operation. If it's a minus, you add. So we add 6 to both sides. So we've kept the equation balanced. The 6's cancel to leave you with 7m. That gives you 42. 7 times m. Divide both sides by 7 because division is the inverse operation of multiplication. So there's the division. Both sides are divided by 7. The 7's cancel. 7 into 42 goes 6. That's the answer. And finally, this is the plus sign. So we subtract 7 from both sides because we do the opposite operation. So there's the minus 7 and there's the minus 7. The 7's cancel to give you 9k. 79 minus 7 is 72. That's multiplication, so we divide both sides by 9, which we've done here and here. The 9's cancel to leave you k, and 9 into 72 goes 8, and that's the answer. So this video has introduced us to the idea of solving equations, and in solving equations, all we do, we make sure that whatever operation we perform on the left-hand side, we perform the same operation on the right-hand side, and that way it keeps the equation balanced. Very, very important.